Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a simple coloring tutorial on CapCut. So here, import your clips and then just copy it and then set one of the clip as overlay. Click on that and click on overlay and then go to splice and choose darken. Click on the check icon and go back to the main track and go to effects, video effects, and here find retro and then just scroll down until you find sharpen. Okay, this one. Click on the check icon and set the effects for all clips and then adjust it. Set the here into 50. Click on the check icon and then go to adjust. Oops. Okay, go back first and then go to adjust and then set the saturation into -15 and then set the highlight into 10 and also add some vignette effect. I think 12, 13 is enough. Click on the check icon and then go back, add a text. Here just choose, you can use any letter but I'm going to use the I letter and then here I'm going to change the font first. That is okay, this one's right here, and then enlarge the I until it cover all of your clips like this and then go to style. Here choose black color, oops, and set the opacity into 8%. Okay, and then next just go to animations and then choose loop and in here find the flash animation. Okay, this one, and set it into fast 0.1 seconds and click on the check icon and set it for all of clips. And here is the final result for the coloring. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to like, thanks, and also subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.